Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can file a claim on FedEx. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to file a claim or in order to submit a report, what you'll need to do is first thing, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link www.fedex.com/customer care. If you're unable to find the link, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. So once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the support center page where you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now if you have an account, then you can log in as well. Now what you'll need to do is, once you're on this page, you can see in the left hand side corner there's an option to start a claim. Just click on this option. So after that, you'll be taken to this kind of interface where you need to submit a report. So for that, you need to enter in your tracking number. You need to type in this type of claim or the report that you want to submit, and once you've done this, click on continue, and after that you'll need to provide in some shipment information and then your information and give a review, or you need to type in a feedback about the issue. So once you've done that, you need to submit it. The report will be submitted and the customer care will look into your matter within 24 hours and you'll be notified about the issue. So in this way, you can file a claim on FedEx. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.